Hi there. In this video, we will introduce you lambda function. Lambda function is a small anonymous function. Unlike regular functions, normal functions that are defined by def keyword and given a name, lambda functions are created by lambda keyword and do not have any name. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments but can have only one expression whose result is returned. So let us understand lambda functions through simple arithmetic operations. So we can create a function of lambda and store it on this add variable. This lambda function takes two values and do the addition of these values. Similarly, we can create other arithmetic operations like subtract, multiply, division, in division we have to give a condition if y not equal to 0. As you know that we cannot divide any number by 0. Else division by 0. Okay. So let's call these functions. Print add 5, 4. Subtract multiply division and here for this else block I will place 4 by 0. So this else block will be executed. Let's run these codes. 9, 1, 20, 1.25 and here error division by 0. So this is the basic intro of lambda function. In the next video we are going to discuss about more advanced places where we can use lambda functions. Thank you.